Hey, 4xe fans, I'm out here in the garage with what is left of the crate that my lift kit came in. I got the 2-inch lift. If you see one of my previous videos, I got the 2-inch Jeep Performance Parts, Mopar, whatever you want to call it, with the Bill Stein shocks. Been enjoying that, and I just recently took the crate apart, and I had a fun idea, and I wanted to challenge you, the viewer, to have fun with this with me. So one of my hats that I wear in the real world, IRL, is I'm a pastor, and I'm working on a project right now called the Trotwood Missional Community, and that is in partnership with a friend of mine who has we've coined the building that she is working on, that we're working into making into a ministry / community space into we call it Studio 109. And there's a website, I think it's studio109dayton.com. I think that's what it is. If I have that wrong, I'll get it right down in the comments down below. But the Trotwood Missional Community is like a ministry component that'll be a part of Studio 109. And we're actually restoring an old building in Trotwood, Ohio. It might be one of the oldest, if not the oldest, still standing buildings in Trotwood, Ohio. We're not completely sure about that, but there's talk of maybe getting it on a registry of historic places and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, so we're trying to do this nonprofit stuff. You know, we're not big money. We don't have any, deep pockets or anything like that. And so we're trying to breathe life back into this building so we can make it into like a ministry / community center. And I've done this before on this channel, and we had a lot of success, and I think I'm going to do it again. I'm going to raffle off these 4 pieces of my crate. Now, if you haven't seen these up close, can I turn the camera around? I don't think I can turn the camera around. But if you haven't seen these up close, 2 of them say Jeep Performance Parts, and 2 of them say Jeep. So I'm going to split those into 2, and you will win that pair or that pair. That's what this is going to be. So what I want to do is a $5 donation, and I'll put my Cash App and my PayPal down in the comments below. My Cash App, I think it's @RevChrisHall, and I think my email or my PayPal is @PayChrisHall or something like that. I can't remember. But those will all be down in the comments below. But I'm doing $5 tries at this. You put $5 in, you get 1 try. You put $10 in, you get 2, and so on. If you feel very excited about doing something, I'll cover the shipping to ship these, and I think that'll be kind of expensive, but I'm going to cover that. And the top 2 winners out of that will win those 2 things. And I really want to keep the one that says Jeep on it, but I'm going to be sacrificial about it. I want to do this contest. So down in the comments below, find find the link to the Trotwood Missional Community Facebook page. It's not been very active lately because we just had a lot going on in life. But I'll put the link for Studio 109. You can see that, and hopefully by the time this video goes up, I'm going to create a Facebook page to go along with Studio 109. And you can kind of get a feel for some of the things we're wanting to do there. Me and my friend Tamiko, she's just an awesome person. So here's the thing: $5. You can enter in a chance to win a pair of those. And I don't know. Let's have some fun with this and see what we can do. Thanks for watching. Take care.